Dear students, welcome to session number 31 of Become 5th semester, Karnataka University, Dharwad. Today's topic will be elements of cost out of that labor, and in that Taylor's differential plan, Merrick's differential plan, and Gantt's task and bonus plan. Features of Taylor's, Merrick's, and Gantt's task plan we will see in brief. According to Taylor's differential piece rate system, two piece rates are set based on the efficiency of the workers. Taylor sets two piece rates based on the efficiency of the worker. It is high piece rate for the efficient worker and low piece rate for the inefficient or below standard worker. According to Merrick's differential piece rate system, three differential piece rates are prescribed based on the efficiency and output of the workers. Merrick's differential plan, it is an improvement over the Taylor's differential plan. Taylor suggests two piece rates, whereas Merrick suggests three piece rate based on the efficiency of the workers. Gantt's task and bonus plan provides for a guaranteed time rate and below standard workers, and differential piece rate principle for the above standard worker. Gantt's task and bonus plan combines both guaranteed time rate and piece rate. If he is below efficient, his guaranteed time rate is paid to the worker, and above efficient worker, he will get differential piece rate based on his performance. Taylor's and Merrick's differential piece rate system and Gantt's task bonus. Once again, we will go in detail. According to Taylor's differential piece rate system, two piece rates are set based on the efficiency of the workers. High piece rate is paid to the worker who produces more than the standard output. Low piece rate is paid to the worker who produces less than the standard output. Efficiency based on output is calculated as follows: actual output divided by standard output into 100. This efficiency calculation applicable for all the three plans: Taylor's plan, Merrick's plan, and Gantt's task and bonus plan. Taylor's and Merrick's differential piece rate system. According to Merrick's differential piece rate system, remuneration of workers are calculated as follows. For Merrick's differential piece rate, remuneration can be explained as follows. He is suggested three piece rates based on the efficiency of worker. First column, level of efficiency, and second, rate of bonus. It is as for Merrick's plan. If the worker is below 83% efficiency, only piece rate is given to him. If the worker comes between 83% and below 100% efficiency, 110% of the piece rate. He is in between. If he is in between 83 and 100% efficiency, he will be given 110% of piece rates. If the workers at 100% or above efficiency, 120% of the piece rate. This is fixed in accordance with the Merrick's differential piece rate system. And Gantt task bonus plan, he suggests in different way. According to Gantt task bonus plan, wages are paid to the workers, which is calculated as follows: level of efficiency, rate of bonus. If the worker belongs to less standard or less than 100% efficiency, no bonus, only time wages is paid. If the worker is less than 100% efficient or below standard, he will be given only time wages, but no bonus is provided to him. If his output comes under 100% or his efficiency is at standard or at 100%, he will be given time wages plus 20% bonus of the time wages. He will be given time wages plus 20% bonus of the time wages. If the worker is above standard, output above standard or more than 100%, he is rewarded with high piece rate on the basis of output. On the basis of output, a high piece rate system is paid to the worker whose output is more than standard set by the organization. We will discuss this one in a simple problem. Calculate the earnings as per under Taylor's differential piece rate system from the following information. Standard output is 200 units for 100 hours of work, and piece rate is 20 per unit, and in 100 hours of work, three workers produce: Anand 140 units, Basant 200 units, Chandru 220 units. And high piece rate is 125% of piece rate, and low piece rate is 75% of the normal piece rate. What will be their earnings under Merrick's differential plan and Gantt's task bonus plan if high piece rate is considered 125% of the normal piece rate? It is everything is given. High piece rate is 25, low piece rate is 75%, and high piece rate according to Gantt task plan is equal to 125%. First of all, here we have to calculate standard output. Standard output is equal to 200 units for 100 hours given. It is given. Piece rate is equal to 20 rupees per unit. It is also given. Calculation time wages. Our wage rate per hour for Gantt's task, we want time wages. Standard output per hour is equal to total number of units divided by total hours. Total number of units is equal to 200 divided by 100, that is 2 units per hour. So rate per hour is equal to standard units per hour into rate per unit. So here per unit rate is given, so per hour rate we have to find out. So rate per hour is equal to 2 units into 20 per unit is equal to 40 per hour. 40 per hour, it is the time. So time wages is equal to total hours worked into 100. Rate per hour is equal to 100 hours into 40 rupees. So here units is given and piece rate is given. Based on units and piece rate, we have to calculate time rate per hour. Time rate per hour we have to calculate. That is, we arrived at 40 per hour. Then we will calculate time wages. Time wages is equal to 100 hours into 40, that is 4,000 rupees. Then we have to calculate efficiency based on output. Efficiency based on output, Anant, is equal to actual output divided by standard output into 100. It is applicable for all. 140 divided by 200 into 100, that is 70% for Anand, 100% for Basant, Chandru, that is 110%. Calculation of high piece rate for Taylor's plan and Gantt's task plan. High piece rate is equal to 125% of 20 rupees per unit. It is 20 into 125 is equal to 25 per unit. Low piece rate is 75 into 20, 20 into 75%, that is 15 rupees per unit. For Merrick's, that is 110% it will come. Merrick's, it is 120% and 10%. 120% of piece rate is equal to 120 into 20 into 120 divided by 100, that is 24 per unit. That is, it is for Merrick's plan. The piece rate at 110% is equal to 20 into 110, that is 22 rupees per unit. It is based on the normal piece rate of rupees 20 per unit. Then first we will calculate the basic requirements for all the plan. Actual output, it is given 140, 200, 220 units. 140 for Anand, 200 for Basant, 220 for Chandru. Standard output 200 units for all. Efficiency percentage, that is 70% for Anand, Basant 100%, Chandru 110%. Efficiency standard, Anand lower, Basant at standard, Chandru at higher standard. It is for Taylor's differential plan. First we will consider Taylor differential plan. So piece rate applicable, low piece rate, high piece rate and high piece rate. Piece rate applicable is 15 per unit for Anand, 25 per unit for Basant, 25 per unit for Chandru. So total earnings will be 15 into 140 units for Anand, 2,100. Basant, 25 into 200, 5,000 rupees. Then Chandru, 25 into 220 units, that is 5,500. This is the Taylor's plan. Then we will go to the Merrick's plan. Once again, our actual output, standard output and efficiency. And these are the same, 140, 200 units, 220 units. Standard output 200 units for all. Efficiency 70, 100 and 110% for 3 workers. Then efficiency standard, it is less than. Now we have to consider, see the efficiency standard less than 83%. If he comes less than 83%, piece rate only is allowed to him for Anand. Then Basant is equal to, he belongs to 100% efficiency. So 120% of piece rate is given to him. Then Chandru is more than 100%. So he is also eligible for 120% of piece rate. So for Anand, it is 20 per unit. For Basant, it is 24 per unit. Chandru, it is 24 per unit. 20 into 140 for Anand, 2,800. 24 into 200 for Basant, 4,800. 24 into 220 for Chandru, 5,280 rupees. That it is as per Merrick's differential piece rate system. Last one, as per Gantt's task and bonus plan. Actual output is same, standard for 140, 200, 220, standard output 200 units for all. Efficiency percentage also same, 70%, 100% and 110%. Efficiency standard, Anand is less than 100%, Basant at 100%, Chandru more than 100%. Bonus rate applicable for Anand, he is less 100%, time wages only. Time wages we are calculated, once again 40 into 100 hours, that is 4000 for Anand. Basant, he is at 100%, so time wages of 4000 plus 20% bonus of 4000. He will get time wages plus 20% bonus of time wages, that is 4800. Chandru, his efficiency, as there is more than 100%, he will get high piece rate. High piece rate is 125% of the piece rate. Here high piece rate is given separately, 125% for Chandru. So it is rupees 25 per unit. So rupees 25 into 220, he will get 5500 rupees. Yes, these are the illustration that worked out. These are my references. Thank you.